Hi guys. Thursday, April the 16th.
April 16th.
2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks.
We came from Paris.
2 weeks, yeah?
We came from Paris.
You are, lady, you are in big trouble
Why?
because of that.
Yeah, I know. It looks terrible, eh?
No, looks good.
The Walmart dog.
Looks just, it looks jazzy. Okay, let's turn it on.